Hey, you know, when I'm driving this Can-Am and stuff, sometimes my pipes get wet and they get muddy, and it's hard to grab and get a good purchase on my pipe. It's hard sometimes. My hand slips all over the place when it gets wet and rainy on my pipes, and I don't know if she's had the problem trying to grab your pipe and it gets slippery, but sometimes you just need a little help with a pipe grabber. And you know what? Kemimoto's come up with a way so you can grab your pipe and not have it slip out of your hand. Ladies, when you want to grab his pipe and you want to make sure it doesn't come loose, Kemimoto's got you covered. So let's go do the roll bar grab handles. And I'm kind of hungry, so yeah. Marine Corps. There you go. We're done coloring too. Let's go get this install done. First thing you're gonna do is the heavy duty Velcro that Kemimoto supplies for this. I mean, this is really well made. You're gonna pull apart. You're gonna come to the middle one. You're gonna pull this one apart. Coming apart right there. All right. First thing you're gonna do is, this part goes on the roll bar. These buckles come around. So you're gonna come up through the back. You're gonna lift up your lid, and you're gonna force it through with just a little bit of steady pressure, man. You can get anything in a hole. A little bit of lifting, a little bit of prodding. You'll get it in there. Now, once you get your buckles...
Almost cigarette time, isn't it?
It is. Woo! I'm working hard for this one, baby. It's the buckles are... There we go. Look at that. Lift up a little bit. Don't let your buckle go. Don't ever let your buckle go. Just pull them through. You ain't gonna hurt them. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to come down with your Velcro mega strap, and you want to put it through the last buckle right here, and you want to pull tight and come up underneath so you can get a view here. That's Bill and Ted right there. They're on an excellent adventure. Lift up and slide it in, just like that. Next one, make sure it doesn't go right there. Pull it tight, come around, lift it up, and push it in. There you go. She likes it when you lift it up and push it in. Trust me, guys, you need to buy this product from Kemimoto. They're not that expensive, and for the money, you get a good purchase on your pipe. Your hand won't slip off your pipe. Anyway, if you don't buy any, I'm gonna come and take your cake. This is Papa Drew saying I love you, and I'm